Good luck, everybody. Here we go. This is Pantheon Baseball Single Box PYT. Number 2. Somebody's getting a transcendent spot from this break as well. Mega filler goes right after this, guys. Let's throw your names on the randomizer. See who gets that tranny. 3 clicks, guys. Just 3 clicks. Top spots in transcendent. Good luck. 1, 2, and last one. 3. Todd, 5-side-40 is in to win. He's in it, guys. He did it. He did it, Todd. Congrats. Let me make sure and add him to the list now before I forget. It'd be tragic. He just won a couple, I think, now. He won the last spot previous to this one. We got back-to-back names on this list, 5-side-40. What a lucky dude. Now let's see how the spot goes in the break here. And he says, and we're gone. We lost feed on breakers again. No. And we're back. And nothing gone. Freaking Andrew. What? Okay, good luck, guys. And we're still going. Eight cards, all hits. Feels very full, this one. Overfilled. There's a book in here. Ah, yeah, cool. Trifold style. And a redemption. Lots of stuff. Good luck. First up, 1500 RBI Club, Reggie Jackson for Oakland. Going to 5-side-40. Number to 199. The Immortal Mike Piazza, Para los Doyers. Scotchy black and red. 29/99. Hungry Eyes, 3000 Hit Club, Tony Gwynn. The Padres. Archlich. 72/199. Kirby Puckett jersey. The Twins and Michael Sears. 59/99. And, ooh, it's old school. Number to only 10. Look at that. Frankie Crosetti, Joe DiMaggio, and Bill Dickey. Boom! Bang and zoom. 6-piece mem trifold book for the Yankees. That is good. Yankees, B. Dozer 54. Bat and jersey. Jersey and bat. Double jersey. 3 out of 10. Dropped on you again. What the heck? For the White Sox, Rudy Arias jersey auto Paul Konerko, numbered 165/199. Goes to T. Gov. Redemption is for David Justice, Pantheon Scripts Gold. Is David Justice a Brave or an Indian? Figure it out. Last card is Jorge Posada, 41/149 for the Yankees. Autographed jersey, B. Dozer. Rudy Arias. Or an A or Yankee. Could be all kinds of stuff on David Justice. Could it be? Huh? You're right. Not jump to any conclusions then until we see the checklist here. David Justice, this is called Pantheon Scripts. That is the Atlanta Braves. Atlanta Braves, Lean Keen 05. That's going to do it, guys. Thanks again to everybody for joining. Congrats to those who got some hits. That booklet was awesome. And again, Todd, 5-side-40, good luck in the Transcendent break. Just 3 days away. Until next time, peace.